Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's shaping our world, the intersection of AI and human creativity. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it's essential to explore how artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a partner in our creative journeys. Imagine a world where AI assists artists, writers, and musicians in ways we've only dreamed of. From generating ideas to enhancing our creative processes, AI can help us push the boundaries of what's possible. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. Think of AI as a collaborator that can provide fresh perspectives, spark inspiration, and even help us overcome creative blocks. Consider how AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and patterns that we might overlook. This capability can inform our creative decisions, allowing us to create work that resonates more deeply with audiences. By harnessing AI, we can explore new genres, styles, and techniques, enriching our artistic expressions. However, it's crucial to approach this partnership with mindfulness. As we integrate AI into our creative processes, we must remain aware of the importance of our unique human experiences and emotions. Creativity is deeply personal, and while AI can assist us, it's our stories, our feelings, and our perspectives that give art its soul. Let's also remember that the future of creativity is not just about technology, it's about collaboration. Artists, technologists, and audiences can come together to create a vibrant ecosystem where innovation thrives. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can ensure that the creative landscape remains diverse and inclusive. As we look ahead, let's embrace the possibilities that AI offers while staying true to our creative instincts. The future is bright, and together, we can explore uncharted territories of imagination and expression. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this discussion inspiring, please consider following or subscribing for more insights into the evolving world of creativity and technology. Your support means the world.